Alright, and we got some leaves out here, dried maple leaves from the yard. I'm not going to buy bedding. This stuff is dry. It works great. And then we can put it all right in the compost piles where I put the last stuff for the garden. And we might sprinkle a little diatomaceous earth, also known as DE, in there. It's good for the birds. It's good at killing insects. I'm just going to press this down a little bit with my little kitty cake spatula here. You can use straw, you can use dry leaf clippings, whatever you got. Dry grass clippings, I mean. Wood chips.
Wood chips.
We got a little wood chipper from Harbor Freight.
Yeah, it works good, but it takes a long time.
It does make some nice chips, though. Don't be afraid of a little poo if you're going to get in the birds and stuff. You're going to get poo on you eventually. Wash it right off. This is a little feeder. If you have ducks, never use medicated feed. Get non-medicated. That's what the local guy down at the feed store, this old guy told me. Dale at Christian Feed Mill in Fruitland, Idaho.
Let's pay it.
Hey, yeah, next to Fruitland. Alright, let me grab this water right here. Put the water back in. Try to put the water away from the heat lamp because they get it all wet around there. Now we grab duckies.
And they're ready.
Come on, mother duckers. Yeah, we got one. Yeah, we grabbed two. Time to go dry out under the heat lamp, guys. They're nice and warm from the warm bath water. Don't get it too hot, don't get it too cold. Yeah, it's so scary. It's okay. Don't break their wings or their legs. Just be careful. Quack, 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 quack. Dripping wet still. They'll dry out under the heat lamp.
Oh, they should happen.
You guys ever read that ducks don't get wet book when you're young? Apparently ducklings do get wet. Okay, guys. And we're all back. Whoa, you leapt out of my hands there. Let me get that leaf off you there, buddy. There you go.
Okay.
And it's done. We're going to put our screen lid back on right now. This heat lamp is hot. We use red, so it helps them sleep better. White disrupts everybody's sleep pattern, just as our bathroom. So I don't want a bright light if I go potty in the middle of the night. With the aluminum foil so it doesn't bend the plastic or melt it.
This is actually a 50-gallon aquarium.
This is 40.
40-gallon aquarium.
40-gallon aquarium.
It works better than anything else we've ever used. Keeps them safe from the kitties.
Again, these are meat ducks. They're not egg layers. They're not pets. But we let them have a good life until they're ready. They're going outside next week. They grow so fast. These are pekins. They're yellow when they're chicks. They're white when they grow up. In 6 weeks, they're almost full grown. If you let them live to 3 months and take care of them, they're huge and ready for harvesting. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. I'm going to wash up now.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So my shot to keep ducks. Oh, they're so happy.